Hi guys, in this tutorial video, I'm going to share you how you can make Google Chrome as your default browser in your Windows laptop, whether it is running with Windows 8, 10, 11 or maybe even lower versions. To do this, open settings in your laptop. Here you select the apps section. Here select the default apps from the left side. Now scroll down until you see this web browser option. I already selected Chrome as my default browser. Maybe you see different browsers here. To change the browser and make the Google Chrome as your default browser, select here, and here it shows the different options of the browsers which are already installed in your laptop. Select the Chrome browser. That's all. Now we made it the Google Chrome as the default browser. Hope this information is useful for you. If yes, don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to this channel for more tech related videos.